Welcome to the Home of Fun and Learning official. Today in this video I will be continuing with IKMC 2019 Cadet level 7th to 8th section 1 3-point problems. So let's get started. Question number 10 says Andrew divided some apples into 6 equal piles. Boris divided the same number of apples into 5 equal piles. Boris noticed that each of his piles contains 2 more apples than each of Andrew's piles. How many apples does Andrew have? Now there are two simultaneous equations that we can make from this information, and there are two important sentences to consider before we carry out drafting our simultaneous equations. So let's look at them. The first statement is this. This will help us in making the first simultaneous equation. The second statement is this. Now let's suppose the number of apples that Andrew have in each of his pile, right? Each pile of Andrew has X apples. Now each pile of Boris have X plus 2 apples, right? Because it is written in the question, and it's also highlighted in red, that Boris had each of his piles and each of his piles had 2 more apples than of Andrew. So it will be simply x plus 2, or you can do it the other way around, like consider this as y, and you can say that y equals to x plus 2. It's the same. So it's the first simultaneous equation, or you can do it directly, skipping one simultaneous equation. Now the total number of apples are the same, right? So can we say that the total number of apples of Andrew will be 6x, and the total number of apples of Boris will be 5x plus 2. Now these two quantities are equal as stated in the question, so we can put an equal to sign here. Now solve for x. 6x equals to 5x plus 10. X will be equal to 10. So each pile of Andrew has x apples. Now x will be multiplied by 6, and that will give us 10 multiplied by 6. That will give us 60 apples, the total number of apples Andrew had, and the same was for Boris, and they are 60. So the answer to this question is simply 60. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for your support. Goodbye.